Hello friends, myself Rasmi Patel. Today we learn for class 9, subject Sanskrit, chapter number 16. In previous video we learned 4 verses. Today we continue chapter number 16, Ajaya Sa Bhavishyasi. Verses number 5. I read the verses, I explain the words meaning, and I convert the prose order and translation for you. अविश्राम वहेद भारम शीतोष्णम च न विदन्ति विदन्ति संतोष्टस्था नित्यम त्रीणि शिक्षेत गदर्भात. आई रिपीट. अविश्राम वहेद भारम शीतोष्णम च न विदन्ति संतोष्टस्था नित्यम त्रीणि शिक्षते गर्भदात. In this verse, I convert into prose order. Avishramam bharam vaheta. Avishramam bharam vaheta. Sitoshram chana vindati tatha. तथा संतोष्ट means निकल गया तथा. Divided into 3 part. This word divided into 3. संतोष्ट तथा. Okay. संतोष्ट तथा तथा नित्यम संतोष्टः गर्दर्भपात त्रीणि शिक्षेत. अविश्रामम. अविश्रामम means tirelessly. Avishrama means tirelessly. Bharam vahetam means carrying the burden. Carries the burden. Sitoshnam means sito means cold. Ushnam means heat. Cold and heat. Sitoshnam. Cold and heat. Na vidati does not get. Does not get या फिर does not take note of. संतुष्ट contented. Shiksate means should learn. Should learn. The translation: a donkey will carry the burden without getting tired. A donkey will carry the burden without getting tired. It does not bother about heat and cold. Similarly, it is always content. It is always content. These 3 things one should learn from a donkey. I repeat the translation. A donkey will carry the burden without getting tired. It does not bother about heat and cold. Similarly, it is always content. These 3 things are should learn from a donkey. Next verse is 6 number. Guthagai chaturya kale chalya sangraham apramadam na alasyam panchak शिक्षते वायसात. I repeat the words. गुठगाई सत्य चाटुर्ये काले चाल्य संग्रहम अप्रमादम न अलस्यम पंच शिक्षते वायसात. I convert this verse into prose order. गुठगाई स्थ्य चाटुर्ये काले च आलस्य काले च आलस्य संग्रहम अपराधम. Divided into 2 part. This word अपराधमम अनालस्यम पंचवायसात शिक्षेत. I repeat the procedure. Gutagaisthya Chaturiam Kale cha Alaya Sangraham Apradanam Analasyam Pancha Vayasa Sixeta. Gutagaisthya Chaturiam means cleverness. Cleverness. The scarcity of family life. Gutastya means householder. Gaisthya means householder. Kale at the right time. Kale means at the right time. Alya Sangraham. Alya Sangraham means building a nest. Apramadam, alertness. Apramadam means alertness. Analasya. Analasya means absence of laziness. Absence of laziness. This was converted into translation. To cleverness, courtesy of family life, building a nest at the right time, alertness and absence of laziness. These 5 qualities one should learn from a crow. Vayasata means crow. I repeat, cleverness, scarcity of family life, building a nest at the right time, alertness and absence of laziness. These 5 things one should learn from a crow. Which 5 things? Cleverness, scarcity of family life, building a nest at right time, alertness and absence of laziness. These 5 things we learn from crow. Next verse is number 7. Yuddham cha pratarutatam bhojanam sa bandubhiha striyamapadgatam rakshate chatuha siksate kukutata. I repeat, yuddham cha pratarutatam bhojanam sah bandubhiha striyama apagatam raksheta chatuha siksate kuku tata. This verse I convert into prose order. Yuddham cha prataha uthatanam. Pratar uthatanam divided into part. Prataha plus uthanan. Yuddham cha prataha uthanan. Bandubhiha saha bhojanam apadagatam striyam apadagatam divided into 2 part. Apadagatam striyam rakseta kukutata chatu sikseta. Yuddham means fight. Prata means in the morning. Uthata means getting up. Prata means morning. Udhatam means getting up. Striyam means woman. Apagatam means in difficulty. Apagatam means difficulty. Chatu 4. Chatu means 4. Bandubi means relatives. Bhojanam, eating food. I convert this verse into translation. Fighting and getting up early in the morning. Eating with relatives, and one should protect women in difficulty. One should learn this thing from the cock. Fighting and getting up early in the morning, eating with relatives, and one should protect women in difficulty. One should learn these four things from the cock. Next verse number 8, and this verse is last one. य एतान विसन्ति गुणान आचरिष्यति मानवः कार्यावस्थासु सर्वासु अजयः स भविष्यति. In this verse, our lesson title, अजयः स भविष्यति. I convert into prose order. यह मानवः एतान विसन्ति गुणान सर्वासु कार्यावस्थासु आचर्यस्यति सः अजयः भविष्यति. एतान means this, THESE, this. विसन्ति गुणान means quality. विसन्ति means 20 qualities. सर्वासु कार्यावस्थु is all stages या conditions, in all stages या condition of work. Acharyasyati, one who will practice. Acharyasyati means practice. अजयः invincible या unconquerable, कभी परास्त न होने वाला. Invincible, unconquerable. भविष्यति will become. भविष्यति means will become. Convert into translation. The man who practices these 20 qualities in all stages of work will become invincible. I repeat, the man who practices these 20 qualities in all stages of work will become invincible. Here our lesson is complete. These 8 verses are all complete. You note down your notebook with first write verses, second prose order and glossary and translation. One by one you complete your verses. In next video we learn exercise. Thank you for watching this video.